Understanding Be on the Run, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, be on the run. This expression is commonly used in English, but its meaning can be a bit tricky for learners. Stay tuned as we break it down and make it easy to understand. Be on the run has two primary meanings. The first refers to escaping or avoiding capture, often used in the context of criminals or someone avoiding law enforcement. For example, after the bank robbery, the thieves were on the run from the police. The second meaning is being very busy, moving from one task to another. For instance, with all these meetings and deadlines, I've been on the run all week. This section delves into how be on the run can be used in various sentences. For the criminal context, you might hear, the fugitive has been on the run for months. In a busy lifestyle context, someone might say, I'm constantly on the run with these back-to-back projects. It's important to note that be on the run does not mean physically running. It's a metaphorical phrase. In the context of being busy, it doesn't necessarily imply physical movement, but rather a state of being occupied or engaged in continuous activities. Often, this phrase is used in movies, books, and songs. For instance, in movies, characters might be on the run from villains or authorities, which helps to create suspense. I hope this video has made the phrase, be on the run, clearer for you. Remember, it can mean either escaping from someone or something, or simply being very busy. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.